you guys? It's your girl Hot Pink Junkie, and I am doing a Pop Smoke inspired braid style on myself. So I'm gonna get started. I've already did 2 braids in the front, so now I'm gonna do 1 braid starting in the back. You want to fill the braid. Use your hand as a guide to make sure that the braid is going in the right direction. Use your fingers as a guide so that you can make sure the braid is going in the right direction, straight down. It's pretty tough to braid as you get down to the neck of the braid. However, just push through simply because you will be readjusting your hands so that you can braid forward. Now I'm repositioning my hand so that I can flow my braid the same direction so that it won't be bulky. You always see braids sometimes and they have like a bulkiness because you can tell that the braid has changed direction. Well, nope, just take your time and you can get that braid as smooth and flat as possible. I'm using 3 packs of the Freetress braiding hair in pink ombre. This hair costs about $4 to $6 per pack. Remember, part the hair in 3 sections. Start the braid right to left, then insert the weave into the braid. I do have a mirror next to me so that I'm able to guide myself while I'm braiding and recording.
Vibe, vibe.